Okay, so happy Friday, May the 8th, 2020. You are almost done with this insane season. So we're at the finish line. We have like, let's see, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We have 8 school days left. And you know what? We're gonna get through this. Okay? We're gonna get through it together, apart together. So there's a couple of things I want to make sure that you are ready for, that you know what to do. And if you're going, I can't do this, then I'm going to make sure I give you a little plan of how to pull this off and how some people have already done it and they're done with Algebra 2 for 2020 in this insane quarantine year. Okay. So I'm going to pull up Schoology and make sure we're all on the same page as to where stuff is. So when you go into, say, First Bell, for example, if you want to know where anything has been this whole time, it was supposed to be in here and it was hidden for a little bit. And I'm really, really sorry. I wish it had not been hidden this whole time. But when you go into Algebra 2 on Schoology, there's this Algebra 2 remote learning folder. This at the top has everything in it. Everything. And I'll show you that. But if you're like, what was week 5 specifically? Then you can open up week 5 on here and it'll tell you that there was some Khan Academy. I called it Logarithms Part 1. If you open it up, it tells you these are the 3 names of the ones you needed to do that week. And then if you go back, I don't like that view. I like it when it's all big folders. And if you go back and you're like, I wonder, how do I get help? There's ways in here to get help. If you're wondering, what's due, because right now is week 8, May 4th through today's 8th, right? If you're wondering what's due next week, it's literally just the last assignment is the unit test on logarithms in Khan Academy. And then if you'll look in here, like, what's she put in week 10? It says that, as a reminder, 9th through 11th graders have to have everything turned in and communicated to me by May 20th at 11:59 p.m. So please just get caught up and let me know and that you're finished with things. Seniors have to have it all turned in by the 15th, next Friday, a week from today, Friday night. But everybody else has a couple more days because normally we would still be taking exams, seniors would be done, blah, 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 yada, yada. But if you're like, I don't want to have to look through all these, what's the main deal? So this document that I've been sending out to everybody, it has everything you could ever want on it, including, let's look at it, okay? Including a couple quick little adorable notes from teachers saying, hey, we miss you. This is from the 11th grade, a bunch of 11th grade teachers, a bunch of 10th grade teachers. Of course, I didn't get one from everybody, but I mean, I didn't ask for one from everybody in the world at our school, just those 2 teams. If you're trying to figure out how do I sign up for Remind, this is how you would do it. How do I log into Khan Academy if I haven't done that yet? How are things going to be graded? And as a reminder, if you're overwhelmed, start with week 5. Week 5, that's where logarithm starts. And then that way you can do weeks 5 through 9. And that'll give you one topic to get good at because there's a whole bunch of little things about that topic. About logarithms. It's an intro, it's next step, and then using them, which, that'll follow you through one unit basically. And then you can get caught up. It'll be enough to pass this quarter. And enough to pass this quarter, no matter where you did 3rd quarter, is enough to pass the semester to get the credit. Okay? Trying to work with you here. And locker cleanouts are going to be this week, Tuesday and Wednesday, it says on here. I thought it was Tuesday and Thursday, so let me double check on here what it says. Tuesday and Thursday, so I need to fix that on my document. Tuesday and Thursday, depending on what letter of the alphabet your last name starts with. Okay, and that tells you what time and what day. So let's say your last name was Freeman, for example. What it do, cuz? Then you would be in that first round from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. on Tuesday morning. If your last name was Velasquez, for example, then you are supposed to go Thursday from 10:15 to 12:15. Okay. So if for some reason you can't do one of these times, um, I'm pretty sure that they'll let you in, but just make sure that you're following this stuff. If you've got a fever or cough, just stay home. We'll figure out what to do with your stuff later. Don't stress about it. Stay 6 feet apart from everybody in the building. Don't go hugging all your buddies. I know I'm your favorite teacher, and if you see me, you'll want to hug me, but we got a COVID, back it up. And definitely wear some sort of cloth covering your mouth, and wash your hands a bunch, and take your temperature before you come in, to make sure you don't get surprised with a fever, because we don't want to get anybody sick. Half the times people don't know that younger, healthier people in general don't know they have this. There's very few symptoms, and just if you've got that fever symptom, please stay home. Okay. So I need to change it on here. It's Tuesday and Thursday. So I got to go back and change that on my document here in a second. But lost it. Found it. So I just went ahead and fixed that real fast, that the locker cleanouts are Tuesday and Thursday. There might be some teachers in the building. They're going to help direct you. You are literally just going to go in the front doors, up a certain set of stairs to your locker, take care of your stuff, put books in one spot. You're not going to take them to every room and all that kind of stuff. If you've got a computer, we're going to put it on the table. We're just going to try and clean it up, keep it simple, and then you'll exit back the way you out the front door again. Okay. And this is not how any of us wanted to end the year. It all is terrible. And I wish it wasn't this way, to say the least. But we're going to get through this. Now, the one thing that I want to make sure I say to everybody, this was the document, by the way, and it had every week what you were supposed to do. And there were a playlist of videos. And this is this week. May the 4th be with you. And, so I made a playlist and these 3 documents. And you can still work on it after the due date. You just have to let me know so I can update your grade. The last assignment, again, is just a test that's in Khan Academy. I will make a playlist of videos. It's probably just going to be one video where I literally walk you through how to do every problem if you want. But again, remember, I'm available for office hours where I will happily do your homework with you. And that's at 10:30 to noon every day. I know that's a hard time for most of us to get up in the morning. I personally roll out of bed just in time for office hours most days. But if that doesn't work for you, I've got an appointment set up today with somebody else at 3. So if you let me know and we pick a time, we can set up another time. But here's the thing. Oh, and then that'll be your last assignment. It's not due until next Friday, a week from today, but it's out there and it's ready for you. It's on Khan Academy. But as you're getting caught up, again, you're going to do weeks 5 through 9. So let's look at what week 5 is. Week 5, 3 assignments on Khan Academy. Okay. Week 6, watch a bunch of videos and do 2 assignments on Khan Academy. So we got 5 assignments so far. Week 7, 2 review games, which I will open up again. I'll probably have to put a new link on there. Right now they're open until 2 p.m. today again. I don't care. I will open them. I will extend it again happily. So we've got 5 Khan Academy assignments and 2 games. 6, 7, 8 Khan Academy assignments, 9. So we're talking for a whole semester grade. I'm asking you to make sure that you do at least those 9 Khan Academy assignments and 2 games on Kahoot. Okay? Anything that's old though, I don't know you've done it until you email me or text me. So please let me know. We're gonna make it. We may have to do some version of online learning next year. So don't tap out just because it's online. We don't know how this is going to go, but adjusting to this is going to make your life easier. If you absolutely cannot get to the internet, you have to tell someone in the building so that we can figure out a plan for you. Okay? I picked Khan Academy because it's easy on phones, and there's an app for that. Anytime I assign something, it'll literally put a notification at the top of your phone that says new assignment. So let's do it. Okay? You're not alone. You're not the only one struggling with this. I've got 4 kids, and 2 of mine on any given day are losing their minds because this is hard and crazy, and it's going to be okay. Miss you guys. Okay, just want you to know. Please let me know if you have any problems or questions. Okay, bye.